Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix computer which keeps on freezing and boost its performance. Okay, so let's get started. First is you need to search for add or removed programs and then click on open. So the moment you open your add or remove programs, list of applications will appear. Okay, here you need to identify those applications that you no longer needed. Okay, don't put a heavy load in your computer. Just delete and identify those applications that you no longer wanted in your computer. Okay, here for example, let's delete this Dropbox Lite. Just go to these three dots and go to uninstall. Okay, this will clear and free up space in your computer. Okay, next step is search for edit power plan. Okay, just click on open, and then this new window containing edit plan settings will appear. Just go for change advanced power settings, and here you need to make sure that the high performance is in default. I mean, in my case, I don't see any, but in your case you have that option. High performance. Okay? Just make sure that you apply that and then click on OK. So just close this and let's move to the next step, which is my favorite thing to do, which is to press Windows and R key together and then type for temp. Click on OK. Here a bunch of files will appear. This I mean in my case I don't see any because I've just done cleaning, but if in your case you have a bunch of files here, just click anywhere and then Control A and then go to this trash bin or shift to delete. Okay? So don't worry because once you deleted all of these files, your data will not be deleted because those files are created by your system and not by you. Okay? Just have to close this and go back to run again. And then instead of typing temp, let's add percentage. Percentage stamped percentage and then OK. Here a bunch of files will appear again and just click anywhere and then Control A and then delete. Then skip those folders which is denied and in use. Okay? And it's done. Then let's close this and let's move to the next step, which is to go for run again and then type prefetch. Then click on OK. And here a bunch of files again will appear, which is created by your system and not by you. Just click anywhere and then Control A and then delete. Just skip those files again, which is in use, and then close. And then let's go back to run again. Okay. And then instead of typing prefetch, type clean mgr. Sorry. Okay. And here your disk cleanup will appear. And here you need to make sure that mark all of this checked. And then once you do that, once you click on OK, in my case, my computer will free up 1.5 gigabyte of disk space. Just click on OK and then delete files. So this will delete all the unnecessary files on your machine. Okay? Then skip those folders, access and denied, and then just wait. This will clean all the thumbnails, all the junk files. So after that, let's proceed to startup. How? Just right click here, do a right click, and then go to Task Manager, and then just expand it and go for Startup Apps. And then here, you need to identify those applications that you no longer needed. I mean, once you restart your computer and it will take some time to restart it, then you need to disable applications that you no longer wanted. Okay? Just disable the status. In my case, I have just disabled it. So when I write to a right click, it will enable. But if in your case it is enabled, it will appear disable here. Just to right click to disable. Then after that, just close this and let's proceed to the next step, which is to press Windows and R key together to open run again, and then type for services dot msc, and then click on OK, and then this window will appear. Just click anywhere and then type S in your keyboard and look for sysmain. Okay? So sysmain is a super fetch, so we don't need this actually. So just go for properties and then disable it. Okay? Apply, then okay. Okay? So it will mark here disabled. Okay? After that, just close this and then let's go for extensions. How? Just have to, okay, search for extensions here. Click on open and make sure that this show files extension is off. Okay? After that, let's go to Google Chrome. And then here you can see three dots. Just click that to see more and then go for settings. And then here, just go to reset settings and then click this arrow icon here and then reset settings. Okay? So this will reset Chrome's settings, the Chrome shortcuts, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. Okay? After that, go for site settings. Let me just search for site settings. Okay. Go to this and then here in this pop-ups and redirects, you need to make sure that don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects is turned on. I mean, this will affect your computer. This will completely lag it. Okay? So after that, let's go to the three dots again and go to extensions, then manage extensions. And then here you need to make identify, if there are any extensions that is present here and you don't want it, then just simply click on remove. Okay? And the last step which I will recommend you is to install any cleaner in your net I mean Windows, okay? So you can choose either C cleaner or malware bytes. Just search here malware bytes and then go here and go to this one. Okay. Go to this first option of the results and then you can freely download this. Okay? So this will delete all the junk files in your computer. Just protect your computer from any viruses or infections. Okay? So those are the steps that will help your computer perform better. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.